Alright, honestly, yo, me don't know him just say a while ago. Yo. Alright, watch out now. Eddy Bomba drop a song, you know. I said that name, sir. Eddy Bomba and Bayka just drop a song. If you know what I mean, I'm masicka, because I don't know Eddy Bomba. And you ever mass up. So, without further ado, I see you. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. Hold on, there's enough of my nose, I can't breathe. Come in. Run it! Oh god. What an embarrassment. Alright, here we go. Watch that. So the day I'm ready, mass. Dog not on the mask. Violation, bro.
Me, this a fully Louis V. Eddy in the game, I Maria and Luigi. And then could not bully me, better go bully beef. Anytime the hoses squeeze me, different know I bully reach. Baby, yesterday you live with me, diamond, while I cookie cream. From me.
Alright, honestly, yo, me don't know him just say a while ago. So, I figure go back and try to figure this out. Hold on.
And the hoses squeeze me, different know I bully reach.
Alright, when the Uzi squeeze, man even know where bullet reach. That means you have to fire a bag of wild shot.
Yesterday you live with me, diamond, while I cookie cream. From me pull up on your bitch, she have facing the pussy free. But she look, she see the key, she better know me shove the beast. Use my hood and brush your teeth, dirty free.
Dogs, I use my hood and brush your teeth. Bomba clock.
And a two-piece, make it stress, make it lose weight. Grab a throat, that a note full of blue face. Have money stash, get cash, money fat your back. 3 girl a blow it off, never know.
Bayka have a distinctive voice. And that's what I love about Bayka. His voice is very distinctive. I like that. Honestly. Since the boss I bounce him shades. Bounce mine too. You see? Because we're full of shades, you know. You see me? And we're not talking about sunshades. Well, these are sunshades. Damn. Anyway, Bayka, voice stuff.
Some dog float off, fully charge up, don't bully 5-4 girl, suck it off, pull it off, fuck it off. Eddy by my money, rap, Bayka.
On the fucking broke economy, this a
That Louis V sick. I know a few things about Louis V. And that Louis V is sick out.
Louis V, Eddy in the game, I Maria and Luigi. And then could not bully me, better go bully beef. Anytime the hoses squeeze me, different know I bully reach. Baby.
I mean, you thought that any boy or girl want bully me, I tell them to go bully beef. See that you see how me think.
Yesterday you live with me, diamond, while I cookie cream. From me pull up on your bitch, she have facing the pussy free. But she look, she see the key, she better know me shove the beast. Use my hood and brush your teeth. But me papa now that break the money, make them girl a sick ready for papa my lip pill and then a gaga.
So far, I think the song is great. Eddy Bomba voice kind of throw me off sometime, but that is his unique style. Alright, so don't come at me, please. Him not sound like everybody else, which is one thing I absolutely love. Like, I actually love that. So him not sound like everybody else. You see me? I love that. Him sound different. He have a unique voice. You see me? But sometimes him voice kind of throw me off. But however, I think the song is a great song.
Chopper dick, I'm a rockstar rapper trip. Feel a kick like a kick. Not for your stock like a chip and next in this apocalypse.
Send 5 free guy, Eddy location. Can't guard Jim friend, them run station. Gunpowder belly car map running nation. Eddy by my rock, baby.
I'm saying can't go station called Macron Nation. A DJ Mac produced this?
On the fucking broke economy, this a fully Louis V. Eddy in the game, I Maria and Luigi. And then could not bully me, better go bully beef. Anytime the hoses squeeze me, different know I bully reach. Baby, yesterday you live with me, diamond, while I cookie cream. From me pull up on your bitch, she have facing the pussy free. But she look, she see the key, she better know.
Alright, that's fully Louis V. Shouldn't have on Burberry. And you shouldn't have on Fendi right here. Okay, the song is named Fully Louis V. So let's keep it fully Louis V. Okay, sir? Thank you.
Yeah, you know what I'm about.
She look, she see the key, she better know me shove the beef. You better, she look.
Yo, who this? Somebody please find me this person. Lord, find me this person.
She see the key, she better know me shove the beef. Use my hood and brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth, dirty free. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know what I'm up. Yeah.
Them a jiggle 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 and a fully Louis V. Girl a jiggle 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 and a fully Louis V. Yeah, yeah. Yo, hey yo, listen. If my comment section can find me this girl, bro, I say y'all $100, bro. This one right here in the blue, with the what is this shit called? A septic piercing? I think that's what it's. Hold on. I think that's what it's called. A septic piercing. Great. Number 4. Number open. Come on, nigga. Ah, fuck you. Yeah. Find me who that girl is in that blue. Comment section. I beg of you. Find me that girl in the comment section. May I beg of you? Somebody please find me that cat here. Me not ask so much, you know. But me want to know find me that cat here. Oh, find me that cat here. That's all me I beg of you. Just find me that cat here. She. Anybody I can find me that cat here in the blue. I give $100 just for find her for me. Just tag her down below. Whoever she be, just tag her.
Yo, man, I get
Rhythm body no. Yo, yo. She, you, I wanna find you. You, I wanna find you. She, find she for me. Why don't you just find her for me there? Find her, please. I drink water for me about mass. Come on. She have a alien tattoo on her. Find her.
Yo, Kuya watching our creative click shoot the one and hear that. Believe no man.
Alright. So I give this song a 9. I like the way, I like me say, it's not that I don't like Eddy G voice or vocals. It's just that it throw me off sometimes because it's like you have to listen carefully to hear what I must say. You see me? And that's fine. A lot of artists come out and you can't really hear them because their clarity is not there. And that's one of my things with Eddy G Bomba. Him clarity just kind of throw me off. But he's a great artist, don't get me wrong. I love the fact him sound different. You see me? I don't want nobody come here and I sound the same. So, give the song a 9 out of 10. Alright? So, without further ado, I think lyrics is there. And Bayka do him thing. See how my battery are dead there. Come on, find blood clot girl. Oops. But yeah, I think it was a good song. I not have nothing negative to say about the song. I like me say the only reason why I get a 9 out of 10 is because I just the clarity I never find. I cannot hear what Eddy G Bomba say. I have to listen carefully. You understand? It's not like a cartel or like Bayka, like me or Bayka say clearly. So adjust that. Like if him could have kind of like tone it down a little bit so it can have a little bit more clarity, that would be perfect. It's not a bad thing me I say. So nobody come at me because I don't love artists. Artists never wrong. But without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one, buddy.